Hey there, CJ Math students, and welcome to today's notes. What I need you to do is grab a sheet of paper, whether it's lined or graph or computer. Lined or graph would be preferable. And at the top, I need you to put your headings. So I need you to put your name, I need you to put the date, Mr. Mason Math, and then classwork homework 100, homework 101. I need you to skip a line there, and then write down today's objective. Which is understand the area formula for parallelograms. Okay. Once you're done with that, I want you to write down these two definitions. Area is the space inside a closed perimeter. It's always measured in square units, inches squared, feet squared, centimeters, etc. And then perimeter is the distance around shape. It's like adding up all sides. Those are regular units. Okay. And then here is how Khan Academy is going to play in. You're going to watch a video. It's only 2 minutes and 56 seconds. It's not going to stop and ask you questions, but you're going to listen to it. And then you're going to have what's called an article. And the article is called Area of Parallelograms. And so on your paper, you're going to write Area of Parallelograms, practice problem 1. And you're going to scroll down and you're going to see your first practice problem. We'll talk about the formula for the area of a parallelogram, and there it is, practice problem number 1. And on your paper, you're going to draw to the best of your ability and try and do it as neatly as possible, that parallelogram. So I'm going to draw that parallelogram myself. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then go back to it, and it says, okay, it's 10 by 8. 10 by 8. And then you're going to solve this. You're going to say area is equal to base times height. Area is equal to your base of 10 times your height of 8. And area is equal to 80, I believe it was, inches squared. Okay, and I want it nice and neat just like that. Circle your answer when you're done. And as you go on, you're going to see, hey, there's practice problem number 2. Now, I'm not going to do practice problem number 2 for you. It might be different even on your screen, but you would write it right next to it, right to the right of it. Once you're done with that, you will have 4 practice problems. So that was an article, and then these are practice problems. So if you go back to your paper, you'll see it gives you it one at a time. You are going to go scroll down. You're going to write a new section. You're going to write practice area of parallelogram number 1, and then you're going to write down your first problem. Now, I've already drawn the figure there, so I didn't have to waste time. You might get a different practice problem. But again, after you draw it, you're going to say A equals BH. You don't have to find the area of the parallelogram or anything like that. Area is equal to, your base here is 11, and times your height. Remember, that's the dotted line, straight up and down, your right angle, 8. So area is equal to 88 units squared. Right? So you would type in 88, and then you would hit enter, and it will let you know on Khan Academy whether you get it right or wrong. And also, you can say, hey, I'm stuck. I need a video or a hint. But you can check it and say, hey, you got it right. And then you have 3 more problems to do. And then so you go on to the next one. Like number 2 would go here, right? Number 3 would go below number 1, and number 4 would go here. And you just keep going. Once you're done with that, you have a second video that will talk about finding the missing height or missing base. And then you will have 4 practice problems doing with that. So after you watch that video, it's only like 1 minute and 40 seconds. You'll scroll down and you will write down, hey, here's my next section. Practice finding missing length when given area. You'll write that on your paper, right? Then you'll do number 1. So again, here's number 1. Again, my number 1 might be different than yours, so you don't need to write this down, but area is equal to base times height. Notice I give you the area, or they give you the area, so 20 is equal to, you don't have the base, but you have the height, so 4h, base. You could also say 4x. And then to solve this, divide both sides by 4, because it's like a one-step equation, so your base is equal to 5 units, right? So again, you could go into your Khan Academy and type in 5 and hopefully get it right. Awesome, right? Let's try a different one. Let's just pretend to do something that you guys do often, which is just guess. So after you click next question, I don't know, let's click 100. And they're going to say, oh, not quite right. You can try again, or you can skip for now. If you click skip for now, I'm going to see that you haven't finished the level. So try it again or get help to actually get it done. So there's only 4 questions there, and once you do that, you're done. What I'd like you to do, there's no Canvas quiz or anything today. I'm going to get the data based on what you do on Khan Academy. So take your time, use your calculator to get it right, and then take a picture of your paper and send it to me. That will be your exit ticket. I will give you feedback on what you send to me. Questions, concerns, give me a call. I know this is something new. Thanks for being flexible and open to it. And have a great day, you guys.